ABCetc, Learning Made Easy. Welcome to Entry Level 1. Module 2. Read and write numbers up to 10. By the end of this session, you will be able to read and write numbers up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Write numbers 1 to 10. Practice makes perfect. The link to a free PDF handwriting template is in the description box below. End of Module 2, Part 1. You are now able to write the numbers 1 to 10. In Module 2, Part 2, we will learn to recognize the Roman numerals 1 to 10. ABCetc, Learning Made Easy.